Yes, you guessed right. It is a CTSV that we got in the shop. The paint needs some love, and we're gonna do paint correction and ceramic coating, so stay tuned. Yep, you guessed it right. 2014 Cadillac CTSV, and this is how black paint should look like, but it didn't start this way. Like most black vehicles, after years of improper washing, automatic car wash will leave your paint looking with swirl marks and haze. And under proper lighting, every imperfection becomes visible. So check it out. So before applying any protection, we spent over 20 hours performing extensive paint correction to restore the gloss, depth, and clarity to this CTSV that it deserves. This isn't a quick buff and wax. Real paint correction takes time, precision, and patience. Once the correction process was completed, we protected the finish with our level 3 ceramic coating package featuring our CarPro Finest reserve, one of the most exclusive flagship coating in the industry. We're actually one of the only 2 authorized dealer in Illinois certified to offer this coating. This coating was designed for maximum gloss, durability, chemical resistance, and long-term protection. And after 20 hours of correction, this is the final results. The reality is, ceramic coating does not create the gloss. The correction work underneath does. If you actually care about preserving your vehicle long-term, proper paint correction and protection makes all the difference.